Hiya guys, I'm Safe and this is Raw Gadget, and today we're going to show you what you can... Let's do that again. So today we're going to show you how you can change this and turn it into a dog. Okay, so here we have the dog. You can see the tea stains on my jumper there. Okay, so here we've got the dog, and if you have a look at it, you can kind of see from the beginning all the way around to the end that you can just kind of just follow this through. So the first step you obviously want to take is you want to, from whatever jumbled position you've got it up in, you just want to straighten it out into the full snake. Right, so there we have it, pretty much the full snake from beginning to end. There we go. And alright, so first we want to start on deciding which side we're going to choose. I'm going to start on here, which is, you can see the difference between the sides because this side ends in blue and this side starts in white. It really doesn't matter what side you end in. I'm just going to do this to make it easier for you guys to follow the colours. So the first step is you want to make the ear for the dog. So if I twist this like that, that creates the ear for the dog, and we're going to go from there and make our way all the way to the end, which will be the tail. So the first step is to do that with the triangle and just twist one triangle. Then we're going to go 1, 2 triangles down and then give it another twist on the blue triangle there. And as you can see the pretty much the top part of the head forming. And now if we give it another twist again, there we've got the dog's head. And now you can see here we've literally just gone 2 triangles down, and from now we're going to give this a twist here and bring it all the way down like that. So now you can pretty much see the dog's head, and you can see where the rest of his body is going to go now. So if we take it about 3 triangles down, so 1, 2, 3, and give it a twist here, that will show you where the legs begin, and then you want to twist that so that it goes back onto itself. Once we've got it in that position, you can see the head and now the first set of legs. So we want to create the body now. The body has to go just a little bit below the head, so we're going to go at this triangle here and just give it a twist. And now we've got pretty much the first half of the dog on this side of it. So now we're going to make the second part. So if we want to go the second white triangle now, and we're just going to twist that down like that, and now we want to create the second part of this leg here. So on this second white triangle here, we're going to twist it back, and now we're going to twist the rest of the magic snake to go up on itself. So if we twist that up there, you can pretty much see we've got the dog there, and we're just going to add the tail for a little bit of character, and there we pretty much have the dog. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time for you guys, so you guys can kind of just watch how it's done. And here we go. And there we have it guys. Now you know how to change your magic snake into a dog just like this one. There we go, you can see it one last time. And if you guys don't have yourself a magic snake, check the link below. I've put a link there for you guys so you can get one. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and share, and make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to show you how to change the magic snake into a ball. I will see you guys later.